Good day, Ma'am G. Advice. My name is CJ Reyes from BPSU Abukay Campus, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture 1AB. And I am here to discuss my chosen topic from the listening packet, which is informational listening. What is informational listening? Informational listening is focused on understanding and retaining functional information. It involves paying close attention to the content of the message, to accurately grasp and remember details. There are strategies for listening to description. First, set your goal for listening to materials that contain description. Second, pay attention to descriptive words. Thirdly, description with other words in the material. Fourth, organize the description you're getting. And the last, prioritize the descriptive details that you need. Because of this, I was able to understand the role of aerobic exercise in reducing Alzheimer's risk latest finding. What is the role of aerobic exercise in reducing Alzheimer's risk latest finding? Explore how engaging in regular aerobics exercise might lower the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease, a progressive neurological disorder characterized by memory loss and cognitive decline. There are 4 key areas of interest, including first, brain blood flow aerobics exercise improves circulation, which ensures that the brain receives an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients. Better blood flow can help maintain brain health and function. Second, inflammation. Regular physical activity reduces inflammation throughout the body, including the brain. Chronic inflammation is thought to contribute to the development and progression of Alzheimer's. And the third is neurogenesis. Exercise stimulates the creation of new brain cells and support overall brain plasticity. This helps in maintaining cognitive function and may counteract some of the damage associated with Alzheimer's. And the fourth, cognitive research. Aerobics exercise may enhance cognitive research, which is the brain abilities to withstand damage. And continuing functional and higher cognitive research can help delay the onset of Alzheimer's symptoms or mitigate their impact. And that's all. Thank you, Ma'am G. Albay, for providing these materials. Keep safe and join them. And again, I am CJ Reyes from Bachelor of Science in Agriculture 180.